how did you go about the team by team or country by country route to roll out?
So first of all, we wanted to make sure that the concept of orchestration was not only applicable for a portion of the business, but that we could actually do service delivery of all our business lines through Enate. In this case, our beating heart, our orchestrator. So at the beginning, we made sure and we selected a couple of countries and a couple of service lines in order to deploy Enate. That got us about 1,500 users across the globe. Once we had proven the concept and we understood that it did move the dial when it came to consistency, when it came to flawless service, we chose one of our service lines, in this case, HR and payroll, to really focus there and make sure that everyone, every single TMF colleague, in every single country was using service orchestration to deliver the services. Why was that a good idea? Well, it was a good idea because when you have everyone doing something the same way, that then opens up a lot of additional opportunities, be it automation, be it consistent KPIs that the entire firm can abide by, or even those KPIs making it into the company's goals for the year, because now that everyone is doing it, then it allows us to use the same measuring for everyone consistently across the service. So it's not only about consistent client service delivery, but also being able to measure the operations and the success consistently as a firm.
And I guess that's gone down well at the board.
It has, very well.